stop.
Ma'am, I wrote the whole thing. So what should I
Whole thing
do?
you wrote. Okay.
You should
Yes,
sit
ma'am.
there
So
and do
what
it.
should I do?
Ma'am told
Okay,
to
ma'am.
read.
Next one. Those who finished, you can read.
Can you zoom it a bit?
Yes.
Can you show
That's
the
enough.
first page?
The first page.
First page is chapter 2 patterns. Pattern in rotation.
Patterns.
Excuse me, ma'am, we should write patterns in rotation.
Patterns in rotation.
Ma'am, you can change it to
Ma'am,
the
we
next
should
slide.
write that, ma'am.
Ma'am, Felix have a doubt.
Yes. Yes,
Excuse
Felix.
me, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
will show an
Sarah.
object. There is
Only
a
one.
picture.
One at a time. One at-
Felix,
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am,
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
I will show a thing.
Yes.
There is a picture.
Yes, others please mute.
And
Others please mute.
the picture.
Others please mute.
Around the thing there are some pictures. Can
Yes.
you say, is it a pattern? I will
Okay.
take it, okay?
Okay, okay. You can write.
It's my water jug. So,
Box you want to show it is a pattern or not.
yeah. Look here.
Yes. Yes, patterns. Second design also same. Yes. It is a pattern.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's my water jug.
Water jug. You are having patterns. Yes, Nainika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nainika.
Should we, in the first page, should we write patterns or patterns in rotation?
First you write
You
chapter
should
2.
write both.
Please, patterns you write chapter 2 patterns. Then you write patterns in rotation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
instead of recall, what we should write?
Instead of
No, nothing right. Don't need to write.
after that, recall no need of writing anything. Just write objects are said to be symmetrical if they can be divided into identical parts about a given line. Can you write the notes now?
Yes.
1 minute, I will check this audio.
Ma'am, your audio is okay.
Okay, now.
Ma'am,
Yes. Two identical.
ma'am, we should write the full symmetry axis
Yes.
of.
Is it okay?
Write the whole thing.
Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's loud and clear.
Now it is loud and clear. Okay.
yes, ma'am, it's no.
Okay, ma'am, finished.
Finish now? Okay, very good.
No, ma'am.
Yes, please don't fight for it.
Ma'am,
finish, ma'am. Yes, those who are finished, sit and read there. How many of them should complete still?
Ma'am, Hridvi.
You can complete. You can complete. No problem.
Last paragraph.
Yes, Sarah.
Last paragraph.
Last paragraph. I
I
will
come.
show these notes. No problem. You can write.
Completed the
Yes.
notes. The first minute itself.
Yes, you can write it. Don't shout for it.
complete in the first period.
Ma'am, can you read the last line?
A figure which cannot be divided into identical parts are called asymmetric. Asymmetric, not symmetric, are called asymmetric.
Okay, ma'am.
Asymmetric.
Ma'am, this all did you teach?
Yes? Yes, I told and gave.
Ma'am, last class Dia was not there. This class Dia is there. That's why she asked.
Okay, okay. Because I cannot identify the voice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finish? Okay.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
ma'am, you
ma'am.
can show the next slide.
Next
Ma'am,
slide.
next slide.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Next slide, ma'am.
Okay, you can write.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, next slide, not necessary of writing. Next slide, you can say whether it is symmetrical or not. Who did not complete this slide? First one,
Ma'am, Sarah.
Saira, Kirtana,
And
they did
Diya.
not complete. You can complete it afterwards. Next slide, no need of writing. You can just tell me. What are the letters which are symmetrical?
Thyra, mute.
Prithvi, please mute. Manav, please mute. Why Kashinath is sitting there? Kashinath?
Kashinath, oh, he's from another class. He's my friend.
She or he?
He is my friend.
Kashinath is for he.
You are attending.
Aina.
Yes, please don't talk now. Srihari, please mute.
I know him already from first standard.
Kashi, yes, he mute.
I know him from first standard.
To me, Kashi. He lives in the class. He's my friend. Okay.
I know
Yes,
him
just
from
friend
first
in
standard.
3 bus.
So shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
you want to see it?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
I will mute. I should mute everyone now. Like small children. Fine.
Sarah, this is the
Sarah,
same thing I
please
also want
mute.
to say.
Please mute.
The
Who
time.
did not complete still?
Sarah.
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 And can
Right fast, Sarah.
you
You send in the WhatsApp.
Yes, I will send through WhatsApp. Okay. Then next, I will show it again once again. After finishing this, I will show this slide again. First, please mute.
Should be right.
No need of writing this.
No need.
No need of writing. Okay. Yes,
This
Kirtana.
all no need.
No need. This one no need of writing. Just you can say. Nainika, what is the first letter, Nainika?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first letter?
First letter is A.
A. Felix, please mute. Mute. Yes. Yes, first letter is A. How many, what is it symmetric or not? Is it symmetric? Kirtana, is it symmetric?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many axes of symmetries are there? One. Which type of axis of symmetry that? Like this. Vertical axis of symmetry. Yes, Felix, what is the second figure?
C.
C. Is it symmetrical?
Yes.
Yes. What is the axis of symmetry? Which type of axis of symmetry?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. It is called the horizontal axis of symmetry.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes.
No.
Wait.
Scroll down.
Yes.
Scroll down.
Move it
Ma'am,
down.
can you show the previous one?
Yes. Sarah, what is the third letter?
Ma'am, should we
Ma'am.
draw?
No need, no need,
No,
no need of drawing. What is the
Should we
third
write?
letter, Saira?
no need to write this page.
What
No
is the
need to
third
do that.
letter?
Ma'am, the third letter is E.
E. Is it symmetric?
Yes.
Yes. How many axes of symmetries are there?
1.
One. Which type of axis of symmetry that?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay, very good. Riza, what is the fourth letter? What is the fourth letter?
Ma'am, it's H.
H. How many axes of symmetries are there? One like this and one like this. How many are there?
Two.
Type of axis of symmetries are there?
2.
Horizontal and
Horizontal and vertical.
yes. Now others mute. Dia, what is the next letter?
Only the
Next letter. What is
Ma'am,
the
can
next
I
letter?
say?
Manav?
Ma'am, can you disable the chat?
Yes.
fourth letter is K.
Yes.
Disable it, ma'am.
Okay. So
And
horizontal.
disable the chat.
Everyone is chatting.
So horizontal or vertical?
Ma'am, horizontal.
Horizontal.
Horizontal
Horizontal.
symmetry.
Next letter. What is the next letter? Nainika, please stop doing other work. Janvi, what is the next letter?
M.
M. Is it horizontal or is it symmetric?
Yes, ma'am.
Symmetric. How many axes of symmetries are there?
1.
One. Yes, next one. So these are the
Mute.
Glenn, is it symmetric now? This letter F, is it symmetric?
Yes, ma'am.
Glenn, is it symmetric
No,
F?
ma'am.
No, it is not symmetric. Then next one. Parvati, Q is symmetric. Q is symmetric. Q is symmetric. No, Q is also R. Tanvi, R is symmetric. R is symmetric.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, R is not symmetric.
R is not symmetric. R is Hyra. S is symmetric.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes or no?
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
have a
tell me.
doubt. Ma'am, if when a letter can be folded in horizontal and vertical only, they will be
No,
symmetrical.
no, no, no.
shapes.
Any axis you can take. Like this. Letter O. If you are taking like this, many axes of symmetries are there. That one you will study in the next classes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hyra, can you mute?
Yes.
Should be like this.
No, no, no
And
need.
Felix have a doubt.
Yes, Felix.
Don't stop sharing, okay? Don't stop sharing.
Okay.
In the letter S,
Yes.
if we divide it in horizontal,
Hmm.
one C is under turning
One
this
C-
side,
the top. one
another
C-
C in the top is this side.
Yes.
So is it symmetrical?
It is symmetrical. You can consider. Okay.
Is it symmetrical?
Yes. Yes, it is symmetrical. Okay.
So facing opposite sides are also symmetrical.
Yes. This one. You like this if you are taking.
Need to write this.
No need of
And
writing.
S and
Yes.
so S and Z would be symmetric.
Yes. Z also. So many chattings there. Chattings.
Ma'am,
Now I
can you
disabled chatting.
show the-
Disabled
ma'am,
now.
can you show the previous one?
Next one, we can go to the next one. You can write these notes. Who is
Okay.
talking in between?
Previous one, ma'am.
Who is unmuting and
Sarah, I will send you the note.
rotation of shapes?
And we should write this
Yes, you have to write these notes.
and write the column also.
Yes, you have to make the columns and you have to write it. Turning a shape, letter or a figure in clockwise or anti-clockwise.
should write it.
Yes, you have to write it. Turning.
Ma'am, have to draw the column with
Yes,
the
you have to
pencil or
draw the
pen.
boxes and write it.
Ma'am, you have to draw it with a pencil or pen.
Draw with pencil.
Where should we write this?
In class notes, in your notes.
Where should we write?
Class notes.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one? Mine. It
Yes,
was
yes, I will
last
show the
one.
previous one.
Where should we write it with pen? With pen.
Yes, who is having doubt?
With pen.
Who is having doubt?
With pen.
Ma'am, she's asking we should draw that box. with
Yes, you have
pen
to
or
draw the
pencil.
box. Draw the box.
Ma'am told you have to write.
We need to draw the box with pen or pencil.
Pencil.
Ma'am told pencil.
We drew the
Yes,
angles
now
using
write
pencil
with the pen.
Ma'am,
I'm not that. I am asking that turning a shape, a letter, or figure into clockwise.
That
or
we should write with
anti-clockwise.
pen.
That we should write.
Yes,
And
everyone
that we
has to
should
write.
write.
Stop.
she writes that.
Scroll a bit up.
Yes. Everything you should
Ma'am,
write. This is called rotation of shapes. Definition for rotation of shapes. Anyone is having doubt now?
Ma'am, I Felix. One.
Yes, Felix.
In the writing things in that box now.
Yes.
That should be write with pen or pencil.
That one, draw the box with
Ma'am
pencil.
told we have
Write
to
with pen.
Draw the box with pencil.
Ah.
And inside the box there is something
Inside the box with
writing,
pen.
right?
Ma'am, Manzima, can I ask it out?
Yes.
Ma'am, you showed the last time that alphabets. So, how
Want
will
to
be
see
the...
that again?
Yes, ma'am, can you show? So
Ah,
I
yes,
will
yes.
tell
Wait,
you.
wait, I will go to that. Okay, first you complete this.
Yes, ma'am.
Izan, any doubt? Izan Russell? No doubt.
Then we should write the type of turn also, right?
Yes, rotation of shapes. That is the definition. Turning a shape, letter or figure in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction is called rotation. Type of turn. Quarter turn means 90-degree rotation. 1/3 turn means 120-degree rotation. Half turn means 180-degree rotation. And 1 turn means 360-degree rotation. Finished. Don't say that finished now. Who is talking in between?
Ma'am,
Yes.
We'll say rotate.
Yes. Again, you want to see the previous one? Finished all of you? Who did not write still?
No, ma'am.
I'm drawing the box.
Ma'am, I'm drawing the box.
Ma'am, I'm drawing the box.
You can write it.
Ma'am, I am drawing the box.
Yes, you can write.
inside the box writing things, we should write with pen only now.
Yes.
Yes,
Inside the box, you have to write it. You don't unmute. Nobody should unmute now. You should not become the teachers. Don't unmute. Somebody unmuted there still?
Finish, ma'am.
Shall I change the screen?
No, ma'am.
No.
Who is writing still?
Me.
I'm sitting.
Ma'am, should we underline rotation?
Where? Rotation you can underline. That is the definition you are writing, so you can underline it.
Ma'am, you can share, ma'am.
Yes.
This.
Anyone is ready for the seminar today?
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sarah is ready. Okay, see 4 more minutes are there. Sarah, you can start now.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I stop sharing? You want to
No,
share?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, you can
ask it
continue.
out?
You can continue, Sarah, till you share.
Can I do in the next time?
Yes, who?
Ma'am,
Navneet
Navneet
is
is ready.
in roll number wise.
Yes, roll number wise I am calling. Now,
Roll
Sarah,
number wise only.
turn.
ma'am, can I ask it out?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that symmetrical, that alphabets, how it will be. Can you share
Alphabets.
that?
Now, if you take the letters,
No, ma'am.
if you take the letter A, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are dividing like this, or both the sides are equal, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is called a symmetrical letter. H. H if you are taking, if you fold like this, it will be same. Half you fold like this.
Yes.
For H, if you are folding like this also, the figures will be same. Sarah, you can start now. Okay, so clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am,
Sarah.
I finished.
Yes, yes. You
Ma'am,
can
I
start
want
now,
to
Sarah.
share the
Fast.
screen, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shall I
want to
stop sharing?
share this.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is writing? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can start now, Sarah, fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send the notes in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send. Today or tomorrow morning or today evening. Okay? Tell me
Ma'am, I
fast.
can't
Start.
share the
3
screen,
more,
ma'am.
2 more minutes. That's all. That is
Ma'am,
fast.
Sarah, want to share screen.
Yes, fast. You can start. Only 2 minutes you will get. Are you getting the screen?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm looking for it, ma'am.
Yes. You can share the screen now. Still getting ready?
Ma'am, I have opened it yesterday, but I can't open it now.
Now
So,
you cannot
ma'am,
open. Yes.
It's
Good.
okay, ma'am. I will read it.
You can read it now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fast. Only 2 minutes you will get. That is why.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah Maria Jimmy. Today, I'm going to present my seminar on the topic Chapter 1 Shapes, Basic Geometrical Ideas. There are three main branches for mathematics. That's all are arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. The spelling of arithmetic is Arithmetic. The spelling of algebra is Alegebra. The spelling of geometry is Geometry. Now we are going to discuss about geometry.
Yes.
Euclid is considered as father of geometry.
What is the name?
The spelling of Euclid.
Collide no.
Euclid.
Euclid.
Okay, ma'am.
Euclid. Pronunciation is Euclid. Euclid. Euclid.
Euclid.
Yes.
The spelling of Euclid is Euclid. Introduction to geometry basics. A point. A point is an exact location in space. We give examples of point using alphabets.
Yes.
For example, point A, point B, and etc. Now we are going to study about line. Many points placed close to each other in straight path form a line. There are no endpoints for a line.
Yes.
Now we are going to study about line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. Now we are going to study about ray. A ray is a part of a straight line. Line segment is a part of just of a line, but a ray is a part of a straight line, which has a starting point called the initial point, but no endpoints. Angles. The figure formed by two rays sharing a common initial point is an angle. Vertex of an angle.
Yes.
The common initial point of the two rays is called the vertex.
Okay.
Arms of an angle.
Yes.
The two rays are called arms.
Yes.
Now we are going to study about how to name an angle.
Yes.
An angle can be named using letter or three letter.
Okay.
For example, angle PQR, angle
Okay,
XYZ,
shall we wind up now?
angle
Because
APC.
ma'am want to take the class, next class 6 year they joined. Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask one
Okay,
thing?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my roll number is 13, I think so. So when will be
Yes,
my
I will tell you.
seminar?
On Friday, I will tell you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.